Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is Bose Subwoofer not turning on. So first one is ensure the power cord is securely connected to both the subwoofer and a live AC outlet, and just simply check the power connections. And another one is reset the subwoofer. So unplug the power cord from the subwoofer, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in, and this can resolve minor glitches. Another one is a verify status indicator. So guys, if it's a solid white, it means that it is connected and operating normally. If it has blinking white, it is downloading a firmware update. Solid amber means in network standby mode. Blinking amber means ready to connect. Off power saving mode, wired connection. And when it comes to blinking red, it is an error and contact Bose support. Now you could also move the subwoofer away from other wireless devices like routers or microwaves to minimize interference, and this can solve issues. And you could also use a wired connection. So if wireless connectivity issue persists, connect the subwoofer directly to the sound bar or speaker using a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. There you go, see ya.